Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making almost like a Rice Krispie treat, but we're going to substitute the Rice Krispie cereal for Fruity Pebbles. This is super kid friendly, especially with Valentine's Day coming up. You're probably going to have a lot of get-togethers, and this is like a perfect treat where all the kids will love this. So without further ado, let's get started.